we remain. About life and all of it. Jah gives strength when the flame is lit. Roots will never quit. Roots rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Your love always stays. Your love always stays. Your love always stays. Feel the breeze from the ocean side. Rhythm flowing like the tide. In my heart, Your truth reside. Roots keep me fortified. Trumpet drifting on the hill, bassline rolling deep and still. Drums like heartbeat, Jah fulfill. Roots vibration untold. Truth and peace worth more than gold. Roots reggae keep me strong, guide my heart when the night feels long. One love in every song, Rasta spirit carry on. Oh, carry on. Oh, morning sunrise on my face. Jah give strength, Jah give grace. Every step in this holy place, roots remind me of my base. Trumpet calling from the hills so far, dub echo shine like a morning star. Bassline rumble where the children are. Roots unite near and far. Oh, roots reggae keep me strong, guide my heart when the night feels long. One love in every song, Rasta spirit carry on. Oh, carry on. Oh, in the breeze, the palm trees sway. Rhythm bless another day. Roots vibration lead the way. Rasta love forever stay. Morning sunrise as I on the yard. Dust on the road but my heart still strong. Elder man talk but the day's gone hard. Say keep the faith, just keep moving on. Children laugh while the drum beats slow. Bassline roll like a river wide. Every step that me take me know Jah like walking right by me side. Echoes from Zion yard calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard teach me faith and teach me love. Old vinyl spin with a crackling sound. Truth in the words make the soul feel clean. City get loud but me stay unbound. with the ancient sound. Every tear that me ever cried turn to strength when the truth is found. Echoes from Zion yard, never fade, never gone. Echoes from Zion yard, singing freedom song by song. Echoes from Zion yard, roots run deep in the ground. Echoes from Zion yard, lost but now found. Morning sunrise over Zion yard, dust on the road but me heart still strong. Elder man talk about the days gone hard, say keep the faith, just keep moving on. Children laugh while the drum beats slow, bassline roll like a river wide. Every step that me take me know, Jah walking right by my side. Echoes from Zion yard, calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard, still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard, even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard, teach me faith and teach me love. Oh, oh, oh. Old vinyl spin with a crackling sound. Truth in the words make the soul feel clean. City get loud but me stay unbound. Got roots in the earth, got fire within. Babylon pressure try mash me down, but me spirit stand firm and tall. From the hills to the ghetto town, Jah voice answer every call. Echoes from Zion yard, calling me name in the night. Echoes from Zion yard, still shining Jah holy light. Echoes from Zion yard, even when times feel rough. Echoes from Zion yard, teach me faith and teach me love. Slow drum talk to the soul inside, heartbeat match with the ancient sound. Every tear that me ever cried turn to strength when the truth is found. Echoes from Zion yard, never fade, never gone. Echoes from Zion yard, singing freedom song by song. Echoes from Zion yard, Peace in the rhythm, peace in the sound. Slow your breath. Feel the ground sink into the sound. Roots in the earth, mind in the sky, holding the moment, letting time pass by. In the silence, in the silence. No need to run, no need to hide. Everything flows from the inside. Heavy bass, gentle drum, all is one, all is one. Stillness within, stillness around, peace in the rhythm, peace in the sound. in the song. Slow your breath, feel the ground, sink into the sound, roots in the earth, mind in the sky, holding the moment, letting time pass by in the silence. In where we are found. One shot, breathe in the calm, breathe on the calm. In this moment we remain. Under the mango tree I sit, thinking about life and all of it. Jah gives strength when the flame is lit. Roots man never quit. Root rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Jah love always stays. Feel the breeze from the ocean side, rhythm flowing like the tide. Hey. In my heart, your truth resides. Roots keep me fortified. Trumpet drifting on the hill. Bassline rolling deep and still. Drums like heartbeat, Jah fulfill. Roots vibration cure and heal. Roots rising higher every day. Guide my steps along the way. From the struggles that we face, Jah love always stays. Walking on wherever I roam, Rasta spirit bring me home. Jah give strength, Jah give grace. Every step in this holy place, roots remind me of my base. Trumpet calling from the hills so far, dub echo shine like a morning star. Baseline rumble where the children are. Roots unite, near and far. Roots reggae keep me strong. Guide my heart when the night feels long. One love in every song. Rasta spirit carry on. In the breeze the palm trees sway. Riddim bless another day. Roots vibration lead the way. Rasta love